Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Lamoure County in southeastern North Dakota, Dickey County in southeastern North Dakota, southeastern Logan County in southeastern North Dakota, eastern McIntosh County in southeastern North Dakota, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Edgeley to 10 miles northwest of Fullerton to 9 miles north of Forbes to 7 miles southeast of Ashley, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Oaks, Allendale, Ashley, Edgeley, Lamoure, Kulm, Verona, Fullerton, Forbes, Woodin, Venturia, Fredonia, Monongo, Berlin, Guelph, Maricourt, and Glover. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Right now I'm looking at a cell in the in the southeast corner, just south of I-94, and this storm heading towards, looking towards the West Fargo and Fargo areas. But again, the one that we're tracking right now is in the southeastern corner of the state in Dickey County, and a tornado warning is in effect until 6:15 for Dickey County. So again, radar indicating rotation on this. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed, and damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur, and tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of west central Dickey County, and hail has been reported about 1.5 inches in diameter. So again, move to a basement or an interior room in the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, and if you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. We have about 14 minutes left on this tornado warning, and also left on this severe thunderstorm warning that is in effect. These storms started earlier today around the 3 o'clock hour, around 3:30, and it was just some heavy rain, and they produced no lightning and nothing of severity. But as they were moving to the east, they started picking up some speed and picking up intensity. And then when they got into the Lamoure County, that's when things started to get a little more serious. And they had about 4:30, the severe thunderstorm was in Edgeley, and it was moving to the northeast at about 10 miles per hour. And this, about a half hour later, it was located over at Kulm, or 12 miles southwest of Edgeley, and that was then moving to the southeast at 15 miles. Good.
Weather Service in Bismarck has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Stutsman County in southeastern North Dakota until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:01 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 11 miles southwest of Jamestown, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Jamestown around 6:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Ypsilanti around 6:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Spiritwood around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Eldridge and Sydney. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest